Hello, and welcome to the third in a series of videos that provide detailed guidance on the use of the G.Utility coordination tools now available in MicroStation Connect Edition. This video coincides with section 2-1 through 2-4 in the G.Utility coordination tools document. This section of the document delineates a more detailed review of the submenu features that can be accessed via the Utility Status, Tools, Help, and Links tabs on the G.Utility's main menu, beginning with a closer look at the Line Style Legend and Match Line Style tool, accessible via the Utility Status tab. The Line Style Legend button provides a sample of custom line styles drawn at 1, 20, 30, and 50 scale. This legend is used in conjunction with the Match Line Style tool. It also has sample dimensions drawn for 20 and 50 scale plans. When adding dimensions via the Dimension tool in the GUPS menu, it is used in conjunction with the Match Style tool. Due to differences in the way scales may be set in OpenRoads Designer and Select Series 2, check plots are recommended to check for accuracy. The fact that plans generated in OpenRoads Designer may be set to 20 or 40 scale should also be considered and accommodated in the utility coordination tasks. The Match Line Style tool facilitates changing the line style scale and setting and/or verifying the active line style scale. To the right of the Utility Status tab is the Tools tab. The buttons under the Tools tab are as follows: the Level Display tool, which provides quick access to the level settings. The Rotate View by Element tool, which aligns an element in the view to the x-axis. The View Fit All tool, which fits the graphics in the active design and reference files to the view. The View Fit Active, which fits the graphics in the active design file to the view. The Levels Off by Element tool, which turns off individual levels for each element selected. The Window Area tool, which allows for use of a rectangular area to define a new display view. The Pan View tool, which allows for panning the view area. The Active Angle by 2 Points tool, which sets the active angle with a 2-point selection. The Show References tool, which opens the Reference Attachments dialog. The Change Line Style Direction tool, which allows the custom line style direction to be reversed. The All Levels Off tool, which turns off all levels in the current view. The All Levels On tool, which turns on all levels in the current view. The Top View tool, which sets the active view to the top view. The Active Scale and Active Angle tools, which sets the active scale and active angles as indicated on the buttons. To the right of the Tools tab is the Help tab. The buttons under the Help tab are as follows: the G.Utilities User's Guide, which opens the G.Utilities User Guide document. The G.Utilities Key-in Commands, which opens a document that contains a list of key-in commands. Viewing Graphics in Google Earth, which opens a tutorial document that provides guidance on viewing MicroStation CE graphics in Google Earth. Exporting XY coordinates, which opens a document that provides guidance on exporting points from MicroStation Connect Edition. To the right of the Help tab is the Links tab. The buttons under the Links tab are as follows. The Utilities button, which opens the web page for the GDOT Office of Utilities. The Roads button, which opens the web page for the repository for online access to documentation and standards. The PPG and EDG button, which opens the GDOT Design Manuals and Guides webpage where the Plan Presentation Guide and Electronic Data Guidelines documents reside. The Google button, which facilitates creation of a KMZ file for use in viewing microstation graphics superimposed over Google Earth imagery. In summary, this video provides a brief review of the Utility Status, Tools, Help, and Links tabs, as well as the buttons under these tabs and their functionalities.